Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent everyone from adding members in a WhatsApp group on your Android device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to customize your group settings for better control. To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device and enter the desired group chat. Tap on the group name located at the top of the chat to access the group info page. This page contains various settings and options for managing the group. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Group Permissions, usually displayed as a gear icon. Tap on it to access the specific settings related to group permissions. Within the Group Permissions section, find the option Add Other Members under the Members Can category. Toggle the button next to it to turn off the permission for all group members to add other members. By following these simple steps, you can easily prevent everyone in the WhatsApp group from adding members, ensuring better management and control over your group. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the updated feature that enables you to customize group settings for a more organized and focused group experience. Happy group management!